First of all, remove the fairing. You can see back of the fairing you've got quite a few wires for your indicators, headlight and so on. You've got to get your hands in behind, disconnect and slide the fairing forward and you can remove it. You've also got to undo the top yokes, clip-ons, clamps below, take the mudguard off. The mudguard, quite awkward, just behind these brackets there. You can see they're holding the anti-dive pipes. Positioning, you can't get ratchet in. You've got to get a spanner 12mm with a little bit of an angle. Luckily, you can get them if you bend them a bit.